Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the property and behaviors of the parent object. Sal computer technology. When you inherit from an existing class, you can reuse a method and the function of the parent class. Moreover, you can add new method and fields in your current class also. Inheritance in Java. When a class is declared with its specification and another subclass member will want to use its methods or functions, that when they will go for inheritance concept. Inheritance in Java is the process of acquiring all the behavior of the parent object, where the class and the subclass were inherits some behaviors from the parent class. What is inheritance in Java? Inheritance in Java definition. Inheritance in Java is a concept that acquires the property from one class to the another classes. For example, the relation between the father and son. When the son is acquired some behaviors and the properties from the father. So the relationship or the inheritance relationship between the son and the parent is good example of inheritance. Inheritance Java, a class can inherit attribute and methods from another class. The class inherits the property is known as the subclass or the child class. The class from which the property are inherited is known as the superclass or the parent class. For the above example, the father is a superclass or a parent class and the son is a subclass or the child class of the inheritance. In inheritance, the property of the base class are acquired by the derived class. The syntax in Java. The class derivative. The general form for inheritance. This extended key word in Java. The extended keyword extends a class and is an indicator that a class is being inherited by another class. When you say a class B extends a class A, it means that class B is inheriting the properties, the methods that are from class A. Here, a class A is a super class, parent class, and the class B is the subclass or the child class. So the relationship between the superclass and the child class is indicated here. Why we use inheritance in Java? The main advantage of inheritance is code reusability and also method overriding. Runtime polymorphism. Inheritance is known as a relationship.